is we getting ready to do a roof on the house as we remodel. You'll see the roofers is up there on top of the house, tearing off the old roof so they can put the new one on. And this is what it looks like as a new one. Also doing the garage as well. And also doing some remodeling on the inside of the bathroom. You will see measuring the area at this time, tearing out the walls of the bathroom, redoing it. It's an old type of tile. End up putting a surround sounds tile type of tub in there. Also a new tub and faucets. So you'll see the difference between the old and the new. This is the new one compared to what we had there before. You'll see a before and after. And we also ask that you continue to watch and follow as well as subscribe. If you like this channel,